Welcome to Stayf Draws. I'm Stayf van de Groot, a Dutch illustrator and animator, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of the TabStrap. The TabStrap is a holder for your iPad so you can draw and also write when you're standing up or walking around. At the end of this video I'm going to do a contest so you can win a TabStrap, so stay tuned. This is a sponsored video by Pack Smooch. And Pack Smooch is a company that's run by two brothers, and they have their studio in Hamburg in Germany. And they sent me the TabStrap to test it out, and I really liked the product. So I sent them an email and we agreed to do this sponsored video, because at the end of this video you get a chance to win a TabStrap. Pack Smooch makes beautiful products to store your laptop and tablets, and also some well-designed products like key holders, card holders, and a fancy mousepad. Check out all their products on www.pack-smooch.com. For the TabStrap, they've run a very successful Kickstarter. They also listened to their supporters and made some changes to the product to make it even better. The brown envelope arrived at my studio and it has a stamp on it which says Handcrafted in Germany. The TabStrap comes in a brown carton box with the embossed logo on the cover. The packaging is stylish and has an industrial look. On the front there's a round leather piece. The cover of the box is held together by a metallic-like string. When you open the box you see the TabStrap turned upside down. In the box is the manual of the TabStrap and a catalogue of all the other products by Pack Smooch. The manual is in English and German. The TabStrap is handmade of natural products. The strap is made of merino wool felt and vegetable tanned leather. Everything is handmade and beautifully crafted, with much attention to detail. The strap can be readjusted with Velcro. I was a bit wary about attaching the TabStrap to the back of my iPad, but they have solved that by using suction tape. You first need to take off the protection foil. Then you can apply it to the back of your iPad. First clean the back of your iPad for a better result. Place the TabStrap in the middle of your iPad. This is a 12.9-inch iPad Pro, but you can apply it to all the iPad sizes. If you have another tablet with a flat back, you can also apply the TabStrap to it. Press it really hard to make the suction tape stick to the back of your tablet. Then you can start using it. The handle rotates 360 degrees, so you can easily change the angle. I now can finally draw and paint while standing up. This is a big plus, because as an artist you sit down way too much. I also took it outside to take it a spin. The guys at Pack Smooch listened to their supporters on the Kickstarter campaign. They have added an Apple Pencil holder. There's a handy little trick with the holder. If you want to charge your Apple Pencil, simply drag it out the holder and the end cap will stay in place. You can also use the TabStrap as a stand. Pull the handle down and place your iPad on a table. You can also place it in portrait mode. If you have a Bluetooth keyboard, you can use your iPad for writing as well. I also tried it out with my smart keyboard. They have designed the TabStrap in such a way that you can leave the TabStrap on and use your smart keyboard at the same time. If you want to store your iPad, you can easily remove the strap by pulling the lever. It's also very easy to attach because it has a magnet that will click it in place. Pros and cons. So here are the pros and cons. Pros: great usability, great design, multiple use. Cons: the suction tape can come off when you have wiggled your tablet too much, so always check if the TabStrap is attached to your tablet. When you go to the site of Pack Smooch, you can order your TabStrap in 2 different colors: blonde, that's the one I'm reviewing right now, and brunette. So I'm really excited about the TabStrap because it allows me to stand up while drawing or even draw outside. And the guys at Pack Smooch were kind enough to give away a TabStrap. And it is a contest, so what you need to do is follow them on Twitter and follow me on Twitter. And I'll leave the links in the description box down below. And you need to answer this question: in which country and what city is Pack Smooch based? Send me a DM on Twitter, and next week I will draw the winner of the TabStrap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. In that way you won't miss a single video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!